African buffaloes.
This is one of the meanest animals in Africa.
We've just gotten our first close-up look at elephants. A couple of little guys. There's one. And you see all the wildebeest in the background. We struck a gold mine again with elephants. They're right up near the river, so they can't go too far away from us. Oh, look at this. How's this for a face-off? They're about 40 feet away.
Oh, going this way. Said you want a close-up?
As I say, discretion is the better part of valor.
Joe. Sema.
Oops.
He's checking us out.
Mm-hmm.
This is a big hippo, just climbed up out of the water. Sprinting. Could be up to 7,000 pounds. And up here are a whole herd of wildebeest that we are hoping are going to decide to cross. I was asking our guide Harrison where there was a big congregation of hippos all together. And he said, oh, down the river a little bit. And here we have, I don't know, 12 or 15 or 20. Trying to be very photogenic for us. Don't even need the full zoom. I think he's looking right at me.
Don't they look more like, they do look more like a dog, don't they? Yeah.
They do.
Take a movie.
Mm-hmm. Now, Robert, they do their hunting mainly like at dusk?
Anytime they're hungry.
Oh, okay. There we go.
Anytime they're hungry.
Oh, the other jeep is behind us, right?
And what would be their
Yeah, the other two are behind us.
what would be their choice if they had, their best
Yeah, the
chance?
best chance is the wildebeest.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, but would they attack them together?
Well, depends on the size.
Mhm.
But one full-grown hyena is enough to take down the one full-grown wildebeest.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Take them
Or
down.
one fully grown Zampier standard.
Yeah.
Mm.
That's amazing.
This is our leopard that we were looking for this
Okay,
morning.
it is a full leopard.
Yeah. He'll come around again with his big jaw.
He's ignoring us on purpose. This
Walk
is our
for us.
second
He
look.
is staying right at the peak.
I know.
So
Yes,
it
that
was
would
a
be
good,
good.
yeah, good
Let's have a
shot.
really good pose.
Yeah, it's like the flies.
That's nice, but he needs to turn our way.
Oh, there he goes.
Oh, come on.
Give him more coaching.
All right.
Claudia, you're
Let's
doing
go.
We found the jackpot. Look at this. He's maybe 20 feet away from us. Oops. Getting up. And here's the lady lion
Big one now.
taking a siesta. About 20 feet from our truck. Not too good for a movie because she's not doing much moving. But there she
Looking at
is.
their heads. Sorry, Charlie. Tell me.
No, it's just it's hard to get exposed, right?
We'll zoom in.
No,
That's what a sleeping lion looks like.
we saw it.
I know. I would have left.
Again, we have a movie of something that's not moving. Oh, she opened her eyes. This is a lioness.
Yeah, the male.
It is?
It's a male?
Young male? He doesn't look like he's got a whole lot.
Now, how do we?
Well, the male.
Oh, the mane.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, I stand corrected. I'm not going to go out and check any closer.
Kind of. Okay, there you are. Come in.
He's maybe 30 feet away. We're not even zooming here. But let's zoom in on his face.
Can you see
Okay.
him okay, Woody?
Yeah, I can see him. It's my camera. It's not like your
Is that
camera.
the same male we saw
Ooh,
from
look at
who was
that.
sitting? You think? No, that was an older one.
The other one is up here.
He had more of a
Can you
bigger
see?
mane.
Can you see him?
Can you see
Yeah.
him from here? Wait a minute. Please don't rock, Bruce. Stand still for 1 second.
This giraffe is maybe 30, 40 feet in front of us.
They don't
He
get
was
that
just
tall.
munching on some leaves there, and now he's checking us out a little bit.
Look at the eyelashes. Really?
Is that a female?
Yes, with the tufty.
Gonna
The
zoom in
tufted
on
horns.
the face here. See,
Oh, honey, you want to see her?
I see her.
You want to see her closer?
No.
Oh.
look at
They
that.
move. It's almost like
It's a
not
youngster.
real. It's kind of like it's like you're seeing slight slow motion.
Right.
Kind of the ember walk.
You might now. I could just see a little bit of his leg moving. But this one's doing a real sweet job of posing for you. Okay, she says, here, you get your facial shot, Charlie. It's my 3/4. It's my good side.
You know, we have the someone who is giraffe is the favorite.
Right, right.